Hey Will, happy Monday. It's Miss Gemmel again. So I wanted you to start on a new topic today. I think you may have worked a little bit with this with Mrs. Moore, but it seems like you have got those one-step equations totally down pat and you were just rocking those. So I think we're ready to move on to something a little bit more challenging. So for today, we're going to start two-step equations. So what that means is not only are you going to have to add to solve for a variable, you might have to add and multiply or add and divide. You're going to have to do two steps. So I'm going to give you an example and then I'm going to give you a problem I want you to try. So my first example is going to be, let's say we had the equation 2x plus 6 equals 16. Okay, this is a two-step equation because we have 2 times x and we have plus 6. Okay, so again, the equation is 2x plus 6 equals 16. Another way we might think of that is 2 times what number plus 6 will equal 16. So the way that I do it is, first we gotta get rid of the plus 6. So because that's plus, the inverse of addition is subtraction. So I'm going to take away 6, take away 6. 6 minus 6 on the left side is 0. So on the left side, all we have left is 2x. So I'm going to rewrite 2x equals, on the right side we have 16 minus 6. 16 minus 6 is 10. So now we have a one-step equation. And Will, you know how to do these one-step equations. I've seen you do it. You're really good at these. So 2x equals 10, or 2 times what equals 10? You've probably already figured out in your head that it's 5, but I'm going to show you another strategy. Because this is multiplication, the inverse is going to be to divide by 2. Divide by 2. Okay, so then I'm left with x equals, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. So my answer is x equals 5. Okay, so I'm going to X this out. Okay, now the problem that you are going to try says 3x plus 6 equals 18. Just to show you where you could start, I'm going to pull my sketch pad back up. Let me clear it off. Okay, your problem, I forgot what the problem was, is 3x plus 6 equals 18. So I'm going to write 3x plus 6 equals 18. And I'll go ahead and tell you, step 1 is going to be to get rid of the plus 6 on both sides. So you would minus 6 and minus 6. Now, I'm going to stop here because I want you to try and solve the rest of this one on your own. Once you've solved it, you can type your answer into the Google form. Good luck!